So jumping 18,000 feet, never jumped out of a plane before, but I figured going the highest is probably the best.
We're gonna fit out this tiny ass door. My luggage wouldn't go in here.
What is up, YouTube? We are back. It's been a while since I've done a video. Today is actually just gonna be me and my friend Jacob, and we are about to go down to Titusville and go skydiving. 5:45 in the morning. We got about a 2.5 hour drive, and then we are jumping from one of the highest jump points in the United States. Jacob is deathly afraid of heights. He has severe acrophobia. I don't really know why he's doing this, but I guess he thought it would be interesting. I feel like if I skydive and I jump out of a perfectly functional plane, I can kind of do whatever task or obstacle comes in my way.
Got through most of my banana.
Good morning, buddy.
Oh, fuck off. Man.
You got through most of the banana?
Yeah, I'm about to go jump out of a plane at almost 6 in the morning.
Yeah, it's currently 5:52, and we got about a 2.5 hour drive, but it's all in the name of content, so let's get after it. We have arrived, and
Yeah, 5-star safety rating.
this looks promising. We just finished signing all of our paperwork, and now we're waiting for the plane to come down here. I guess we decided to go to 18,000 feet because 15,000 wasn't enough. We should be getting in the air in like 10 minutes or so. This is kind of a little bunker we're in. I don't know how many other people are going to be on the 18,000 foot jump, but there's a couple other people waiting, so maybe they'll be coming with us. Honestly, if it was just me and Jacob, that would be super fun and hilarious, but I don't know if that's gonna be the case. I can't bring my GoPro and my camera up there, so I'm gonna have to, or I paid to get all the paperwork, so you get like, you can pay one version where you get it all on DVD, but I decided to do it on a USB.
How are we gonna fit out this tiny ass door? My luggage wouldn't go in here. It's like iron gauzy.
We're also 6'9" and like 6'5", so I don't think the instructors are gonna be, I don't know how they're gonna work, and they're gonna get crushed while we're flying up there.
This is literally the size of your coffin, bro. Look at this thing. It's tiny.
Strapped up. I'm gonna have to put the GoPro up, but my trainer's gonna get a fire video. We're gonna make this shit look dope. So, oh, look how cute he looks.
Dope. He's like trained in the military. He's been doing it for 30 years.
All right, so LeBar's got a.
He's been making more spooning jokes than me.
Yeah, these are a little snug around the thighs too, and I wore the shortest shorts possible, so I have the meanest wedgie.
Are you ready with this?
Let's go.
What do you want to tell everybody?
So jumping 18,000 feet, never jumped out of a plane before, but I figured going the highest is probably the best. So
Let's do it, man. Let's go.
let's run it.
Go big or go home. Let's do
Go
it.
big or go home, exactly.
Follow me. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah, baby. Let's
Go
go.
do it.
I feel real comfortable in my assless chest.
like it, man.
That was awesome when the front flip came about. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to do the front flip. I was a little scared. But...
Oh, my butthole. Oh, my butthole.
Oh, you didn't tear it, did you?
No,
Okay,
I
good.
didn't.
Get up to the right.
Thank,
High five, man.
thank you, man.
All right, dude. Congratulations.
That was.
Good job, man. So
Thank you,
think
brother.
do this again?
Oh, 100%. I'll be back, especially if I get some views on this.
Good job,
What's
man.
your Instagram and TikTok?
Oh, I'll give it to you.
You got it?
Yeah. 50 fit.
Yeah, shout out.